有種一種呢，這個電影站的呢，古有買過去，古撒嬌高鐵古一種，碰一些的從速度路線路呢，門機就被一種個電影站，我講真話主要的好隆重性破，然後呢，古麼叫了開的高鐵的古被，所以路呢嘛呀，古叫呢冇晒一本正了呀，一路車是老差不了，人家的好路屯西的。路車是呢，老對比到老到麼能夠志向嘅路呢呀路，就我離路底下。呀，no anniversary 啦呀，no 我了比路车呢，เราไม่ต้อง能夠志向อย่างนั้นนะกูจะก็ที่一種คือที่นึงจะเป็นหมู่ชายจะเธอจะ了呀จะ我ได้หนูตัว路车呢ใช้了海底了呀ย่อเลยจะเราไม่ทบีเราไม่จะท路车ทจะเราหนุ่ม能夠志向呢呀一路車มองล้อชับเลยเนี่ยเรารุ่นตรงใจเลยyaเราทุนซีดีแต่เราเนี่ยจริงๆya一路車ล้อชับเลยเนี่ยเรารู้ได้แค่บริการแต่เนาะyaอีเขามองตัวจ้องเทียตัวส่งเกตอนแต่เนาะอีตรงนี้สิ่งที่นึงจะทอเจอก็เทียหมู่เรากูหมู่ชายเทียหมู่จีจ้องเล่นดาวตัวจะดีเกินเลยyaจะว่าจะเลยจะ founder แล้ว车呢，而且人家导入那家，古他这个他古背是门机叫中领导都叫他叫人的呢。古他到了这种的靠 front desk 了，要还叫在扩，要种的路多钱的呢。古他这个他古也叫个么晒种的这个电站是领的呢，也还叫了要还叫在扩了要的 front desk， 要到啥的呢要做好位了要还叫用给，也么到好好给背后往出了要叫那个。ว่าหมู่ตะเขาอย่างนั้นเรากูทอดเจอก็เทปเปย์หมู่ใช้เจอก็ที่นึงจ้าว่าต่อตัวเปย์เหรอนู้นเนาะเราจะตัว celebration นู้นเนาะเนี่ยตะเขารู้ตัวจริงเนาะ
The authorities that exist have been established by God. Consequently, whoever rebels against the authority is rebelling against what God has instituted, and those who do so will bring judgment on themselves. For rulers hold no terror for those who do right, but for those who do wrong. Do you want to be free from fear of the one in authority? Then do what is right, and you will be commended. For the one in authority is God's servant for your good. But if you do wrong, be afraid, for rulers do not bear the sword for no reason. They are God's servants, agents of wrath, to bring punishment on the wrongdoer. Therefore, it is necessary to submit to the authorities not only because of possible punishment, but also as a matter of conscience. This is also why you pay taxes, for the authorities are God's servants who will give their full time to government. Give to everyone that you owe them. If you owe taxes, pay taxes. If revenue, then revenue. If respect, then respect. If honor, then honor. The Hmong American Alliance Church bought this building in 2003, renovated and dedicated to be a worship center or a church on December 4, 2004. We have been in this neighborhood in the city of Maplewood for the last 9 years. In the past, we were honored to have the presence of the former mayor to be with us in 1 or 2 occasions. But today, we are honored to have the presence of our present mayor, Mr. Will Roosevelt, to be with us. And I would like to or we would like to hear a few words from the mayor. Welcome.
Good morning to all of you. Good morning. I want to start by thanking your pastor, Dr. Tim, for extending the invitation to me to be here. I am very honored and pleased to be a part of your celebration. There are a couple things that I will tell you about me. First of all, I live only 4 blocks away from your church on Conduit C. If it was not so doggone hot, I would have walked down. But I thought that with the suit on, by the time I got here, I'd be pretty sweaty. Also, my career as a servant of the city of Maplewood is of a similar time frame of your church. 24 years ago, I began my service to the city of Maplewood. I was fortunate to serve for 14 years on the city's planning commission, and then I was elected twice to the city council, and then finally I was elected mayor. In all of those years, I have been pleased to serve and to do what I can to make Maplewood a better place. I also want to welcome to Maplewood any of the visitors who are here who aren't regular guests in our city. We're very pleased that you're here and taking part in this event. Some people do not understand why churches are important to cities. Cities are intended to organize a piece of property so that everyone can live. We provide roads so that you can get around. We provide sewer and water so that you can live in your homes in sanitary conditions. We provide emergency services to you as fire and police and medical services so that you can feel safe and protected in your neighborhoods. We also provide a wide range of other services, but none of those services has to do with providing and growing community. That is why it is so important that we have churches such as yours to be a part of our community. Because through the teachings of the Bible that you all study, you learn actually how to get along with each other.
Pro-Tandem, the Nerve 2 Synergizer, is the wake-up call for thousands of your genes to do what they are already programmed to do, unleashing the protection and potential of what's already inside. Pro-Tandem can transform you and your genes into something better, something more. Pro-Tandem and the Life Vantage opportunity will move stagnation and mediocrity into momentum and excellence.
Luton Mall, not the East Side St. Paul, who ho gourmet Chinese restaurant. Not the East Side St. Paul.
Okay, this is Kaylin from Ho Gourmet. We're waiting here. We will all welcome for all the Hmong family coming in our restaurants, and then we thank you for all supporting for like that many years. We love to, doing all the business, and then we kind of like a whole family together, all community stand by, beside each other to do what we can in here to with us, with the next generation, and then the generation after that. So, and then thanks again, and we're really welcome to you all, and then thank you all to supporting in Ho Ho, which will be together for years and years.
Và trẻ hù trẻ đá sống gò cờ nhớ đồn đời ý xảy sinh phòn bị thuyền cho vài bìa theo cho ru đợi cho chọc lâu ý xảy nọ ní thứ ta tỏ bỏ cho cha nó mà sống gò cờ gò lì thế hù thì nó phong tô đô Minnesota nọ giờ tôi nòn đợt lô lan nọ sư chỉ nọ được khỏi lì thói trời có tôi đồn đò ho gourmet Chinese restaurant trời nhó giờ cổ chua gì giờ chi ô hà sân rô cổ chua gì cho chi ô sơ rô Saint Paul Minnesota chi y chua sáu tông giờ đầu chi y xả bế ý xuân bế cổ trầu đầu chi y xả bế ý xuân bế cổ trầu เราย่อเต่าชีอีชาเปอีส่วนเปหนึ่งก็เปล่าเราย่อนี่มูใช้ตัวโซอินเทอร์เน็ตนินโด www.hohomn.com